What's up, Bitcoin Bulletin crew? We're kicking things off with some explosive news in the Bitcoin ecosystem. First up, get ready for Bitcoin Hyper, a project that's not just raising millions, but is poised to revolutionize Bitcoin itself. Next, we're diving into the corporate world, where Hyperscale Data is making massive waves by launching a huge Bitcoin treasury, and their stock is already reacting big time. Then, we're talking about a true crypto titan, Michael Saylor, and his company MicroStrategy, as they continue to expand their already colossal Bitcoin holdings, and will break down the surprising twist in their latest acquisition. And finally, we're analyzing the critical link between the Federal Reserve's next move on interest rates and how it could ignite a massive rally for Bitcoin. Stick around for all these stories and more. Make sure you're subscribed and the notification bell is on. Bitcoin Hyper ignites the crypto world. Bitcoin, often criticized for being slow and expensive, is getting a major upgrade thanks to Bitcoin Hyper. This new Layer 2 solution, built directly on the Bitcoin network, aims to solve Bitcoin's scalability and speed issues. By bundling transactions off the main chain and using Solana virtual machine technology, Bitcoin Hyper is enabling smart contracts and DeFi applications on the most secure blockchain available. The project has already seen incredible success, raising over $16 million in its presale, with significant whale activity, including one investor buying over $64,000 worth of tokens. This surge in interest, coupled with an impressive 71% staking reward, signals strong market confidence in Bitcoin Hyper's potential to unlock new utility and value for Bitcoin. The crypto community is buzzing about this innovation, with many seeing it as a pivotal moment for Bitcoin's evolution. Analysts are closely watching how this Layer 2 solution could redefine Bitcoin's role in the digital asset space. But can this groundbreaking tech truly make Bitcoin faster and cheaper for everyone? We'll also uncover how a major data center company is betting big on Bitcoin's future. Hyperscale Data rockets on Bitcoin Treasury launch. Hyperscale Data is making a bold pivot, transforming into a pure-play artificial intelligence data center and digital asset company with the launch of a $100 million Bitcoin Treasury strategy. This strategic move has sent shockwaves through the market, with the company's stock soaring over 100% at the open and remaining significantly up in early trading. The funding for this initiative comes from the sale of its Montana data center assets and its existing ATM program, allowing Hyperscale to expand its Michigan campus and cater to advanced AI and high-performance computing workloads. This bold step by Hyperscale Data is drawing attention as more companies integrate digital assets into their core strategies. The market is watching closely to see if this AI-centric approach, combined with a significant Bitcoin treasury, will set a new precedent in the tech and data sector. While Hyperscale Data makes its move, another crypto giant is quietly adding to its already massive Bitcoin stack. Get ready for the latest on Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy's next big Bitcoin acquisition. Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy buys more Bitcoin amidst market scrutiny. MicroStrategy chairman Michael Saylor has once again demonstrated his unwavering commitment to Bitcoin, announcing the purchase of an additional 525 BTC, valued at approximately $60.2 million. Acquired at an average price of $114,562 per coin, this latest move brings MicroStrategy's total holdings to a staggering 638,985 BTC, acquired for an average of $73,913 per coin. Despite recent criticisms from figures like Jason Calacanis, who advised investors to buy Bitcoin directly, and MicroStrategy's unexpected exclusion from the S&P 500 index, Saylor remains a vocal evangelist for the digital asset. This continued accumulation, even with a smaller purchase size compared to previous acquisitions, signals persistent confidence from Saylor and MicroStrategy in Bitcoin's long-term potential. The market is dissecting these moves, weighing them against broader industry trends and analyst commentary. But beyond corporate strategies and individual convictions, What's the biggest macro factor that could send Bitcoin prices into the stratosphere? We're breaking down exactly how the Federal Reserve's interest rate decisions could impact Bitcoin's trajectory. Fed rate cuts, the catalyst for Bitcoin's next bull run. The Federal Reserve's Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, is meeting, and all eyes are on potential interest rate cuts. While a 25 basis point reduction is widely expected, the market's true reaction will hinge on the Fed's forward guidance. Will they signal a dovish or hawkish future? Historically, a more dovish stance from the Fed has often correlated with positive movements in Bitcoin's price. Past cycles, like the rate cuts in 2019 and the aggressive stimulus following the 2020 pandemic, show that while immediate reactions can be volatile, sustained periods of low interest rates and increased liquidity have historically fueled massive Bitcoin rallies. Investors are closely watching the Fed's tone for clues on future monetary policy, understanding that loose monetary policy generally benefits riskier assets like Bitcoin by increasing liquidity and weakening the dollar. The outcome of this meeting could set the stage for Bitcoin's next significant price movement, whether it's a sharp appreciation or near-term weakness. So, will the Fed's decision spark a rally or a pause? Stay tuned as we wrap up all the top stories and give you the full picture. All right, Bitcoin Bulletin fam, that's a wrap on today's action-packed crypto news. We saw Bitcoin Hyper's incredible presale success, Hyperscale Data launching a massive Bitcoin treasury, Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy continuing its Bitcoin accumulation, and we dove deep into how Fed rate cuts could ignite a Bitcoin surge. Don't forget to smash that like button if you learned something new, subscribe for more daily crypto insights, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, drop a comment with your thoughts on these stories, and follow us on all our social channels for even more exclusive content. We'll see you tomorrow.